For years, we've been told space is silent because sound needs a medium to travel through, like air, and in the vacuum of space, there is none. But in 2022, NASA dropped a bombshell. They realized that galaxies are filled with hot, charged gas, a medium that can transmit sound waves. They took astronomical data from the Perseus galaxy cluster and remixed it so humans could hear it. The result? The sound of a black hole. It's an incredibly low, ominous note, about 57 octaves below middle C, which is the deepest note ever detected in the universe. It sounds like cosmic horror,